On January 17th, Axie Infinity released the new card buffs and nerfs to prepare for Season 20. It was also mentioned that the new season will start 2 weeks from the date this announcement was released. It is expected that Season 20 will start by the end of this month or at the beginning of February. But what is the best build after stats were updated? I will share with you some of my ideas for a well-balanced team that won't cost you a fortune to get your hands on. Subscribe if you're new here. I won't go into details about all of the buffs and nerfs, but I'll just mention some points. Most of the backdoor cards were nerfed, making them almost useless, especially the Little Owl. The best zero energy cards have been also nerfed, Biden's Twin Needle Hero. On the other hand, we can see 5 Aqua, 5 Beast, 7 Bird, 2 Bug, 4 Plant and 2 Reptile cards being buffed. I will focus here on the Heartbreak, Trump, Caterpillars and the Carrot, but also the Mystic Rush, which is now a very good zero cost option. Now to the meta build. I would go with a plant at the front with Carrot, Leaf Bug, Zigzag, although it got nerfed, still a very good option, and a Pumpkin. A pretty much standard build, I would say, dealing not so much damage but with a positive energy impact and healing plus high shield options for prolonging the game. Now the midline is where it gets interesting. I would take the Mystic Rush, Allergetic Reaction, Double Talk, with the Garish Worm as it is the cheapest back option and with good utility if you know how to play it. This card can be chained with the Leaf Bug on your plant. All 3 cards support the Allergetic Reaction as they deal debuffs to your opponent. At the backline, I would go with an Aqua with a Perch, as this is a perfect backdoor card right now, when all others got nerfed. I would take the Cute Bunny with Shortstaw and Nemo, or alternatively, I would take the Twin Tail with Piranha and again the Shoal Star. In this way, you would have a well-rounded team with a perfect cohesion, as the front and back axes have 0 energy bug cards to support the poison card of your mid-liner. My current team at the arena is pretty much the same as described, with one difference: I use a second plant at the back instead of the Aqua. This makes my team slower and weaker against beast backliners, but as a general I was able to climb my MMR in the arena of season from 1000 to 1.5k. Let me know what do you think in your comments below and smash the like for the YouTube algorithm. And I will leave you with 2 of my most recent gameplays.